So I recently monetized my AI YouTube channel in under 2 months, and I'm gonna show you how you can do the same. And step number 1 is to make sure that your channel can even get monetized in the first place. Channels like AI generated kids content, music channels, fake true crime stories, fake movie trailers, Reddit stories, and mass generated content all have trouble getting monetized on YouTube, so it's best to avoid them. Instead, what you want to do is make sure that your channel gives some type of value. Like this AI channel that's getting 1.7 million views per month, and it's probably making around $25,000 a month based off of my estimates. And they simply make money tip videos where they teach people how to save and invest money. And the value people get is learning how to save and invest in new ways. Or this travel channel that's making $5,000 a month. The value here is learning tips and tricks for air travel. There's also AI cruise ship channels, investing channels, looks maxing channels, and all of these niches on the screen right here. People learn something that they see as valuable from all of these videos, so these videos are safe on YouTube. But even AI channels like this one that just talk about space still make a full-time income, and YouTube is okay with it because people are getting value in learning about space. And entertainment value is also a very real thing. But kids content, it can't have targeted ads. Music and Reddit story channels can just be mass generated and spammed on the platform, and it's very low effort, and it floods YouTube with slop. Fake true crime and movie trailer channels have legal implications. But my AI channel that I started, it gives YouTube tips and tricks, and it's working amazing. Step number 2 is to then copy what is already working in a unique way. Now you might be saying, Matt, how can copying be unique? Well, what you do is you go to a channel that you want to copy, like this financial channel, for example, that's getting over 1 million views a month. Click on her most popular videos and then take a screenshot of all of these videos. Then go to Claude and ask it, give me 6 video ideas based on these, combining 2 ideas together in each so they're unique but will still get a ton of views. Rank these from the best to worst ideas. This gives us brand new ideas that aren't directly copying anybody but will still work amazingly. So you're competing with less people, but you're taking the fundamentals of what have already worked and you're creating new content based off of that. And you can even do this with multiple different channels. Take 2 to 3 ideas from multiple different channels that have worked really good and combine it into a brand new idea. I call this the remix idea method. It works amazing. It's one of the secrets on how I get millions of views per month on my channels. Step 3 then is to generate your script. Now, Claude is the best AI for writing naturally right now, but the problem is that it's not trained on high converting YouTube videos. Now you can train it yourself by, for example, going to YouTube, searching the best videos about how to do script writing, and then creating a Claude project and asking it to follow those principles. But the problem with that is that there's a lot of bad advice on YouTube that will hurt your videos more than helping them. And so you're probably asking, what's the solution? Well, if you trust me, which you should, by the way, I've been doing YouTube since 2014 when I was 14 years old. My entire life basically has been YouTube. Then you can use my tool if you'd like. It's called Tube Magic. And you just type in your video idea and then it'll write you an amazing, unique script using the best hook formats, the best psychology to keep people watching, and all kinds of other stuff that would take me hours to explain. You can also choose a word count. And it uses Claude in the back end, so it's really good. And you can use it for free at tubemagic.com/free-trial. And now step 4 is to generate an AI voiceover. 11 Labs currently does the best AI voices in my opinion. You can even clone your own voice. But to make this step and the next couple steps a little bit easier, my recommendation is to use a tool called Higgsfield, which has 11 Labs built into it. And it's basically an all-in-one AI tool. It's got access to all of the top models, and they constantly add new models every time one's released. And I use it every single day myself, so when they asked me, hey, do you want us to sponsor this video? It was kind of a no-brainer. And you just go to Audio, select 11v3, paste in your script, choose your voice. My recommendation, use the ones a little bit further down on this list because they're going to be less used by everybody else, and then generate your voiceover instantly. Now it's time for step 5, which is visuals. I remember when I had to spend 4 to 5 hours a day editing my videos manually back when I was a teenager, but now all you have to do is go to Higgsfield, go to Video, and then go to CDance 2.0. This is currently the most advanced AI for generating visuals, and the visuals it makes are absolutely insane. This can apply to almost every single type of YouTube channel, and you can see my full Seedance 2.0 tutorial I did later, but the problem with Seedance is that it's typically very expensive. But Higgsfield is currently the cheapest place that you can use it, and it also includes every single other AI model that you could ever want, and they update constantly, so in my opinion, it's the best tool for this. If you're running that space channel, for instance, you simply type in here that you want a cinematic video of terraforming Mars, and you would get this video right here. Or if you're running a financial advice channel and the main character of the channel was this cat right here, you can simply upload a video of that cat and then reference it in the prompt and then ask it to do whatever you want him to do. You can even have him talking and you get this right here.
Stick around. I'll reveal how simplicity turned into a fortune.
So if you have someone who's like the character of the channel and you want them doing something specific, Seedance 2.0 is the best tool for doing that. And the possibilities here are endless, and it's really important to use models like Seedance and use cutting edge models because the results will be higher quality and it'll avoid your channel being seen as slop, and it'll make sure that your channel gets monetized. Now, even though Higgsfield is the cheapest place you can use Seedance, it's still not the cheapest model in the world, so it may make sense not to use it for the entire video. My recommendation is to use it for the intro of your video, and then also periodically throughout your video in order to keep people's attention. And then what you can do is use cheaper models like Nano Banana 2 for generating images that you can then put throughout your video, or a model like Kling 3.0, which is a video model, which is the second best video model in my opinion, which isn't as good as Seedance, but it is a lot cheaper. Now, my AI channel that I got monetized is a character channel where there's a stickman version of me giving people YouTube advice. And you can do this really easily by generating an image of your character, and then once you have that image, you then put it in as a reference on Higgsfield, and then you can generate that character in different environments, doing different things. This is how we do it on that Stickman Matt channel, where I have the Stickman in different locations, but he's usually just in the studio giving YouTube advice and everything. And then once you have your character in the location that you want them in, then what you can do is go to video, and then go down to Lip Sync Studio. From here, then you upload your image, you upload your voiceover, and then you can give it a prompt like he's talking in a serious way or a funny way or an educational way. And then you can make avatars that talk just like this.
I think retiring after 50 is simple.
And then once you have all of these clips, you can compile them together with any editor that you like. You may also want to use real images as well throughout your video, so you can find those online and then download them to put into your video. Just make sure that you abide by the terms of fair use on YouTube. And as for editing videos, you can use any editor you like. I personally really like CapCut, but there's a lot of options out there. You can also use my other software called vid.ai to generate stock footage videos, very similar to some of those channels that we looked at earlier. And then you can replace any clip in those videos with AI generated videos from Higgsfield. So I recommend, for example, replacing the intro and put one of those Seedance 2.0 videos in the intro. And then just periodically throughout the video, replace other clips, and you'll have an amazing video that you can literally generate in 10 to 20 minutes. And now it's time for step 6, which is to actually monetize your channel. This is how you're going to actually make money. In order to monetize on YouTube, you need 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. Both of those things are the byproduct of getting views first and foremost. And views are influenced by your title and thumbnail. Now in step 2, I showed you how to get amazing titles, so we have that covered, but you need a thumbnail, which is the cover image of your video. And it's the most important aspect of getting views. So how do you get a great thumbnail? What I recommend doing is finding a video that already got a lot of views that you'd like to copy. Like this one right here. This thumbnail is pretty good. So we're going to copy that link and then go to youtube-thumbnail-downloader.com. Paste in that link and then copy this image. Go to Higgsfield or whatever AI that you like, and then go to image, create image, and then select Nano Banana 2, which is my favorite for doing this. Then paste in the image, and you can also paste in the image of a character that you'd like to use. So let's say instead of that Stickman character, our character is this cat right here. So we're going to then copy the image of this cat, paste it in here, select 16:9 for the aspect ratio, and then say, replace the person with the cat, change the background color so it stands out more, and make sure the text is bigger. You always want the text to be as big as possible. And then I'm gonna generate 4 at a time right here. And just like that, we have some amazing thumbnails that we can go ahead and use. All 4 of these are honestly really good, but a pro tip is to split test all 3 of them at the same time by clicking the A/B test option when you're uploading your video. That way, YouTube will automatically find the best thumbnail for you out of the 3 options that you give it. And then post consistently on your channel. My recommendation is to shoot for 3 videos per week, and over a couple months, your channel should be monetized. You'll get a notification in your Creator Studio saying that you've reached the qualifications, and then you can join something called AdSense. It'll walk you all through it if you just go to the monetization tab of your Creator Studio. I have a video on my channel as well on how to apply for monetization if you want to watch that. And now I've had channels get monetized in a week or 2, and I've also had to take several months. But the key is to have a process and a system and a plan in place instead of just guessing, which is what I'm trying to give you right here. Now, once you're monetized, first of all, congratulations. You'll be making ad revenue now, which is amazing. But the problem with that is that it is still the worst way of making money on YouTube. Yes, those channels I showed you earlier were making full-time incomes just from ad revenue, but they could be making a lot more. Any of those channels that teach something, like finance or travel tips, should have what is called a moon. You can go to moon.com, that's moon with 2 N's, and create a paid group to then sell from your channel. And you can sell courses, community, coaching, but I recommend keeping it simple and just selling courses in a community, teaching what your channel teaches in depth. And then put that link in all of your video descriptions and you'll make a lot more than just from ad revenue. And now I want to show you some more niches, plus how to make this into a huge business, and some really important 2026 updates that are essential for you to see in this video right here. So please watch it, you'll get a lot of value. Hope you got value from this video as well. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment. My name is Matt Parr, and I'll see you there.